You want to drive it? You want to sit up there?
You want to sit in there?
There's a beast right there. Look at that thing.
You want to drive it? Well, Abby's want me to help you? Come here. No?
Position it as an aerial.
Yeah, that thing's amazing. What's the extension on that?
105 feet.
105 feet?
Yeah. Climbing in.
Oh, well, don't let him climb in. Yeah, that's a big one right there. That's a pretty impressive machine right there. And this old beast, love this thing. That hasn't been out in a while.
We had it out in the spring.
Yeah.
We take it down Pop Bottom Road.
Yep.
Behind the airport, the Marston Mills Airport. There's a little dirt trail back there. We can.
Yeah, I've been down there. That'll knock some trees down, no problem.
Oh yeah.
Now he's gonna stop freaking out.
You're okay. You wanted the door shut a minute ago.
Four-wheel steering, that's awesome.
I make him cry at fire drills, you make him cry on tours.
Just noticed this sitting in a parking lot, had to take a shot. It's pretty sharp. Nice little resto here. Haven't seen this one around.